Guys, alam nyo ba, from 49,000 down payment ay 10,000 na lang ang down payment nitong Montero Sport GLS Automatic. At hindi lang yan, dahil pag sa akin kayo nag-avail ng Montero Sport GLS Automatic ay may free 1-year PMS kayo at bibigyan ko pa kayo ng free upgrade to Black Series look at free 40,000 fuel. So ito guys, yung ating Montero Sport GLS Automatic. So ang SRP niya nga pala is 1,927,000. And naka 2.4 liter turbocharged diesel engine with Maybach technology niya siya. Kaya napaka-powerful at fuel efficient. And naka 181 maximum power and 430 maximum torque. Kaya perfect pang family, pang long drive at kahit sa negosyo. So naka full LED lights na siya and may front illumination lights, black front grille at meron din tayong 360 camera system. And dito naman tayo, yung side mirror natin naka-automatic na with chrome accent and may camera din siya dito. And then ito yung door handles natin, naka-chrome accent din with push button keyless entry dahil keyless operation na siya. 68 liter fuel tank capacity kaya swak na swak sa long drive. Yung wheels natin 18-inch monotone alloy wheels kaya lalong sporty at elegante tingnan. Pagdating naman sa suspension guys, naka 3-link rear suspension with coil spring and stabilizer bar kaya kahit malubak sobrang smooth na ang ating biyahe. Sa loob naman guys, sobrang lawak at sobrang komportable. Elegant na elegant yung interior. So naka leather seats na rin tayo and leather wrap steering wheel with paddle shifters, analog type instrument cluster, push start stop engine, infotainment system, charging ports, at syempre naka 8-speed automatic transmission na din. Meron din tayong electronic parking brake at brake auto hold. Sa likod naman guys, naka signature tail lights tayo and naka fin type antenna at lift type yung tailgate natin. Naka 7-seaters tayo yan guys. So ito yung first row natin. So yan, napakaluwag. So dalawa yung kasya dyan. And ito naman yung sa ating